that. So whichever side doesn't go forward.
See a mole right there, and a mole right there. I'm going to scope on medium.
If you were fairly close, it'll pick it up.
There's just some. Yeah, I mean, I said it. But then
There we go. So I got a mark there. Check it 3 times. Trailing edge on the bottom. Mark that right there. Okay, and then we'll go. There's the spine coming down. So there's this mark right here on the left. Check it 3 times. Trailing edge right there.
Not allowed yet. Not allowed yet.
Okay. Alright, so now we're going to do the static palate. Just going to check here. There's some edema right there. Is that sore? Pain on pressure? I'm going to check the spinuses. Any of that sore? Right there. Alright, so we'll check here. Right there's that squishy. Is that pain on pressure there? Just that right there. Alright, so we'll check the cervical spine here. Please on that side, let me so I can use this side. Thank you. Alright, so put the joint there. We're going to check the flexion extension. So he opens up pretty well, but if he didn't, then that'd be an extension restriction. So now I'm going to check the lateral bending. Alright, he doesn't open up that on the right here, so it'll be right. Now we're going to check for the see the spinous process and rotation. And it's also on the right, so it'd be a PRS. Alright, stand up for me, we'll do the pelvic analysis. I'm going to do the forward bend here. I'm going to put my hands on the PSIS. I'm going to have him bend forward. Alright, come back up and bend forward again for me. Alright, so he actually stayed well, which is normal, but if one side rotated up, that would be the side that I would further evaluate. Alright, so next I'm going to do observe the glute height. Stand there for me. Just going to look here. Alright, so he's a little bit higher on that left side, so that's the AS, and the right would be the PI side. Alright, sit down for me one more time. Alright, so now we'll do this right side here. I'm going to do the knee swing test. Alright, so I'm going to check the joint here. I'm going to push the joint in. I'm going to pull it out, checking for the motion. If there's a restriction in, then it would be an IN. And if there's a restriction when I come out, then it would be an EX.